individual market to test just how much they can get away with by pinning it on Obamacare. Hence, the letters you've all been seeing, letters that say, because of Obamacare, we can't offer you this plan. In some cases, offering a plan that costs 10 times as much, with no mention of the fact that the exchanges or the same company itself might offer a better plan at a similar cost or less. So today, what the president was doing was he was saying, fine, insurance companies, that's how you want to play the game. Now it is on you. If the consumer wants to keep their old plan, it is not Obamacare that is preventing that anymore. It's not the White House, it's the insurance companies.
And so what we want to do is to be able to say to these folks, you know what, the Affordable Care Act is not going to be the reason why insurers have to cancel your plan. We're also requiring insurers to extend current plans to inform their customers about two things. One, that what protections these renewed plans don't include. Number two, that the marketplace offers new options with better coverage and tax credits that might help you bring down the cost.
One Democratic source put it this way: World War III just broke out between the White House and insurance industry. And how that plays out is anyone's guess. Joining me now, Senator Bernie Sanders.